What's new at Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics and True Blue Power? True Blue Power is raising the bar so you don't have to lower your standards. Give your customers what they want and what they need. Power for life. That's right, receive a limited lifetime warranty when you purchase True Blue Power USB charging ports, single and dual port, USB Type A and Type C configurations, lighted and non-lighted units, all that and a variety of face plates, adapter plates, and mounting options, available and shipping today. Introducing the newest addition to the True Blue Power inverter family, the TI-2000 series DC to AC inverter. Ideal for VIP cabin configurations, special mission and emergency medical applications, the TI-2000 delivers 2,000 watts of AC power to cabin and galley equipment. This includes entertainment and gaming systems, personal electronic devices, microwave ovens, and coffee makers. This extremely compact high-power inverter is 10 pounds lighter than competing units, weighing less than 8 pounds. The TI-2000 is TSO certified and engineered with input transient, short circuit, and overload protection up to 150% of the rated load. It is available and shipping today. Now, Mid-Continent's MD302 Standby Attitude Module, SAM, is even smarter. Introducing the MD32 Magnetometer designed specifically for SAM. This optional magnetometer delivers independent heading reference without the hassle of special installation hardware or orientation limitations. The MD32's unique mounting flexibility, compact size, and convenient cockpit calibration ensure an easy, low-cost installation every time. No brackets, no shims, no hassle, no problem. The MD32 is available and shipping today. Need 28-volt DC power for executive interiors, airline, and passenger configurations? Introducing the new TC2000 AC to DC voltage converter. Perfect for aircraft with AC electrical systems that require 28-volt DC power, the TC2000 delivers 2,000 watts of DC power for in-flight entertainment systems, interior and exterior lighting, and in-seat cabin and cockpit USB power. This powerful voltage converter is compact, lightweight, and easy to install. Just one TC2000 powers more than 100 single True Blue Power USB charging ports. The TC2000 is available and shipping today.